Okay, all right. Oh my God.
Se inclinó el sombrero.
Let's see a handstand. Damn straight.
For you, little Uzi, a Rob Zombie poster. I really.
Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?
Subscribe and like this video, and this cat will hug you.
Aww. You want to share some of the rent money, babies? Oh, no. Can I have... Look, they're gonna evict us. Give us some rent. I just want to... you little shit!
Fine now, Kalakacha.
I know! Hi! There's a third one. Look!
Watch out! His name is John C.
Who's buying this?
That would be my big fat ass.
What's that little piggy? Don't do it. You're gonna fall. You're gonna...
هات دول هات اللحمة هات.
Damn, girl. I like your butt, G. Oh, really? Cool. Oh, really? I'm sorry.
Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
I want waffle.
And they're both boys.
Excuse me? Does it bite? Can I pet it?
You can pet him, but
Okay.
he might nibble your hand a little.
For real? Okay. For real, it doesn't, huh? Okay, thanks. Hey! Oh, you scared me! Jesus! Oh!
Excuse me, Reese. Hi there. How are you doing?
Reese, do you know you're famous on TikTok?
I love this man, and I have to have him.
No.
My dog has literal rocks for brains.
Want some? Buster. Ben. Oi!
This is an idiot. He doesn't know whose tail it is.
Yeah, when I bite you, you can't do nothing. Oh, mother chinga! You can take the cat out the hood. You can't take the hood out the cat. Good God, trumpet, don't it?
Hi. Hi. I know. Water. Earth. Fire. Air.
Yeah, this is gonna be great, man. You the best human we could ever ask for. Hell no, man. What does he think we are? Half dog, half dolphin out here?
Are you friends with her? Let me know now. Are you friends with her? Are you friends with her?
It's freaking Jerry. Asshole. Did you say come here? I'm sorry. That's what you get. Hey. Stop it. Your mama. What? Don't talk about my mama, stupid. Alright, sorry.
Are you hungry? It's a monkey. And here's some monkeys.
Oh, wow. Oh, we can walk right underneath him. Oh, okay. Oh. Look at the testicles on that thing.
Oh my goodness, you're just so adorable. Yes, you are. Makes it harder to get rid of you when we have to pull poop out of your bum. Oh my goodness. Yes, it does.
Okay, can we talk about the fact that, like,
Keep your hands off my laptop. Keep them off.
Is this my house? Answer, please. He is my neighbor, Nur Sultan Tuliakbay. Spelling my assholes. I get a window from a glass, he must get a window from a glass. I get a step, he must get a step. I get a clock radio, he cannot afford. Great success.
What is something that your dog does that you just don't even think twice about, but anytime anyone else sees it, it's kind of shocking or weird?
Y que a mi niño lo quiero yo y el que no lo quiera le doy un dolor. Y que a mi niño lo quiero yo y el que no lo quiera le doy un dolor.
Get away from the vent. He fell in the vent. Oh my god. No. No, oh my god. Oh my god. Boo! Come back! Oh my god. Oh my god. Mom!
Hey, Jerry. Jerry, buddy. You in there? I was thinking we could, get some happy hour with the boys, you know, half-price nuts. Oh, hell out of here, Ron. Jerry's not allowed any more happy hours.
Hey, what are you doing in here?
What? Oh, put it. What is it? Why is my apple pen on the floor? Guys, what is it? Oh, what the? Look behind you. What?
Hi, sisters! Hey, Sharon. Listen to me. Have you ever bathed in catnip? Sharon, have you ever done it? Get out of here. I'm tripping my tits off.
This is put in next to a large Arby's cup. This is put in next to a box of Frosted Flakes. Puddin's face next to one of Dozer's treats. Why are you crying?
Our 1-year-old American bully is scared of our new Pomeranian puppy. He wants nothing to do with him.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, Papa. Come inside. I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch his hand?
Why you look at my toes?
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't wanna be petted. Do not pet.
Well, it looks like you're trained.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad! You keep digging!
You ever hang out with your dog and it's awkward?
Hey! Hey! Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
You.
Oh man, so here are your response cards, and then pick one after this. It says, as the mom of 5 rambunctious boys, I'm no stranger to what? That one, okay. There's a lot to unpack here.
Take Nikki. Nothing!
Pizza's really good. Have a go at this. You'll fucking love it, bro, I'm telling you. Good? Yeah or no? Yeah? Yeah, I told you it was good, didn't I? Yeah, so that's ham and cheese. I know. Good, eh? Yeah.
You gonna give the people some stomps? Stomp, she do the no stomp. Hey, stomp, she do the no stomp. Hey.
Be nice.
My daddy's got a BMW. Well, my daddy drives a Mercedes.
My father drives an Aston Martin. My papa drives a Rolls Royce. My dad drives a Ram 1500.
Why you got your paw on me, OG? Get your paws off me. What you? Is there a problem? Do you want to smoke? What up? I'm just playing, OG. My fault, OG. OG, I'm just playing, OG. Chill. Chill, OG. You can put your paw on me. I'm sorry. OG, chill, please. Please, OG, please.
You'll never get the chance to treat me like I'm a piece of shit again. Don't call my motherfucking house.
Thanks for that.
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
I want waffle fries. Damn, Lola, you're looking like a whole snack. Double wide deluxe. Put some mustard on that bitch. Mmm.
Kenny, today we've got 2 options for you, but you can only choose one. So, we've got a treat or we've got some food. Which one would you like? Treat. Treat? Kenny, you know how to do sentences. Show me again.
Kenny want treat.
Kenny, you want treat? There you go.
I'm sorry to tell you. Alice has your bunny. Alice has your bunny. Oh, I'm just kidding. We were just playing. We're just playing. Here. I was just kidding. It's yours. Honey, it's yours. It's here.
You're just giving off.
Ah!
What?
Oh.
Apples, pears, bananas, carrots, chicken.
The vet gave me a clean bill of health, so we can go home now.
That's not what he said.
Well, he said, you gotta brush my teeth more, and I gotta lose 5 pounds. You're not gonna do it, right? I'm never going back to this ever. Never, ever, 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 ever.
What is a command you accidentally taught your dog?
Floki, Xbox. Thank you.
Yummy?
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
I want waffle fries.
Кусь. Кусь. Ну так сильно-то нельзя. Пусти давай. Пути. Пути. Ой, солнышко.